$10 per registration. Use the promo Fortuna. Total bonuses, it's crazy, it's unbelievable. Up to $15,000 for new users. This exchange, no KYC, you can register in any country in the world. For get the link, check the first comment. So let's see how to get the money. The first, you register to your account, you get $10 in the futures bonuses. Then you register and trade, you will get $5. Then you for beginners you get an extra $3. Secure your account. You get it up to $100. If you finish the KYC, you get it up to $100. Let's see more. First futures trade, $10. First deposit task, $10. First sign up bonus, $10. It's unbelievable. It's the best exchange in the world. Right now, I doesn't find any exchange. It's crazy bonuses. Together, it's up to $15,000. So use my link in the first comment. Just copy the link, register, and get it crazy. Let's see about the volume. For all the volume in the futures trading, you will get crazy bonuses too. So deposit $100, $10 you get it. Trading volume, for example, if you make the 500,000, it's a nothing, $25. If you make 2 millions, you get it $75. If you make 5 millions, for example, yeah, you will get $100. If you get the 10 millions, it's possible, $25 and more unbelievable bonuses. So you just use my promo, use my link, and you will get very good exchange. It's the best exchange in the world with no KYC, with crazy bonuses. Thank you very much for watching and see you in next video. Please like, subscribe to my channel.